day viewers, you're welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to provide a solution to this equation on the board. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabest online tutorial. So the question on the board read 2 to the power of 4m divided by 8 to the power of 2m is equal to 1 over 4, and we're asked to solve for the value of m in this equation. So let's get started. Solution. So the first thing we are going to do is to rewrite the equation. We are having 2 to the power of 4m then divided by 8 to the power of 2m, which is equal to 1 over 4. So if you have equation in this form, the first thing we are going to do, we can cross multiply. Using this 4 to multiply by this, and also this will multiply this. So 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4m, we are going to have 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4m, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 8 to the power of 2m is the same as 8 to the power of 2m. So the next thing we are going to do is to express all the terms in terms of 2. So this 4 can also be written as 2 to the power of 2, because if you multiply 2 into 2 places to give us 4. Then multiply by 2 to the power of 4m, which is equal to, it can also be written as 2 to power 3, then all to the power of 2m. So now the next thing we are going to do, this, if you use power rule, recall the law of indices, the power rule. If you have m to the power of n, all to the power of x, m is raised to an power of n and all is raised to another power. So we are free to multiply the two power together. It's going to give us m to the power of nx. So in this case that we have 2 to the power of 3 and all is raised to the power of another number, so we can multiply the two power together according to power law of indices. We're going to have 2 to the power of 2 multiple 2 to the power of 4m, which is equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2m is going to give us 6m. Now if you look at the left hand side of this equation, we're having 2 to the power of 2 multiplication, also 2 to the power of 4m. So we recall multiplication law of indices that say when the base is the same and there's multiplication, then we are free to write one of the base, then we add the power. So we recall this law that say when you have 8 to the power of m multiplied by 8 to the power of n, the base is the same and there's multiplication, you write one of the base, which is a, then you add the two power together. So this is what we are going to use in the left hand side of the equation. We write one of the base, then the first power is what is 2, then plus the second power, which is 4m. So everything now will be equal to 2 raised to the power of m. And also we record the law of indices. The base are the same and is equal to each other. Now the base is the same, that means the power is also the same. So we can cancel out the base and equate the power. And the power, the first power is what? 2 plus 4m, which is equal to the second power, which is 6m. Remember, we are looking for the value of m. So the next thing we are going to do is to make m the subject of the formula. Now, we can subtract 2 from both sides so that we can eliminate these 2. So it's going to give us positive 2 minus 2. This is going to cancel. We are left with only 4m, which is equal to 6m minus 2. If you take away minus 2 from 6m, I need to have 6m minus 2. So the next thing we are going to do, let us take this 6 to the side of the equation. It will become 4m minus 6m. Remember, this is positive. When it crosses this equality sign, it's going to change to negative 6m, which is equal to negative 2. And 4m minus 6m is going to give us minus 2m, which is equal to minus 2. So the next thing is to divide both sides by the coefficient of m, which is minus 2 and also minus 2. So that this minus 2 will cancel this minus 2. We are left with m in the left hand side, which is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2 is going to give us 1. Therefore, the value of m in this equation is equal to 1. Thanks for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more.